Welcome back to Eat Well, Live Well. I'm Nancy.
And I'm Susan.
And we are excited to be back in our series, Holiday Sweets and Treats.
Yes.
And today we are bringing you bark with a twist, kind of. We are all about chocolate this go round. And this is, let me see if I say it right, Goji, berry, and walnut chocolate bark.
Very good.
Yep.
Yes.
And this is going to be quick, gorgeous, and filled with those ingredients that are going to deliver benefits far beyond our taste buds.
Absolutely. So the first thing that you have to do in making this recipe is you have to melt the chocolate.
Okay.
You can choose to do your microwave. I have this handy little double boiler. It actually, the water is on the outside here, so no water gets in the chocolate.
Nice.
And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in. I'm scared the water's going to come out.
Yeah, so I melt chocolate, I'm telling you the truth, in the microwave. Sometimes I will melt it right on the stove in a regular pan. I might add just a little bit of coconut oil to smooth it out. But we are using dairy-free, high cacao chocolate. And chocolate itself, believe it or not, is actually, it's really good for us. Not like the sugar-laden milk chocolate. But chocolate is rich in polyphenols, flavonoids. This is going to support your heart health and your blood flow. It has mood boosting compounds that support stress resilience. As I said, it's lower in sugar than milk chocolate, and also it's a natural source of magnesium for muscle recovery. So hey, pre-workout and post-workout, have some chocolate. Have one of these barks.
Okay, so now what I'm gonna do from here, since I got it out of that hot pan for me, normally if I was doing it without the show, I would just go straight onto this.
Yeah.
So what I've done here is I have a piece of the parchment paper. You're gonna put the chocolate on top of it. But I had the idea, it says to use a tray or a pan or whatever, but I'm like, this is perfect, this cutting board. So I was like, I just put the paper on here, and then I was able just to stick it on the shelf in the fridge.
Oh, beautiful.
And then I didn't have to worry about that pan either.
Nice. I am going to say, for those of you that may be unskilled as I am in the kitchen, whenever I put parchment paper down, I have these little clips, and I even in a pan, and I just clip them so it doesn't go sliding all around.
Yeah.
It just makes my life so much easier.
Yes, yes. All right, so now I've turned out the chocolate on here. That smells good too.
It smells good.
I love chocolate. I really do.
I do too. I mean, I tell people all the time, I eat a lot of chocolate actually. All right, so you're just going to spread it out.
I'm just going to spread it out, and not too thin of a layer, but pretty thin.
Yeah. And you can, of course, double this or whatever you need for how many people you're serving, but you're going to just see how quick this is to make. So we're just making a small portion today.
I'll let you do goji
All right, so
berries.
then we're going to do the goji berries. So if you've never heard of goji berries, these are actually one of the highest antioxidant foods you can have. It supports healthy aging, it supports your immunity, it contains amino acids and vitamin C, which is great for your skin, and it's naturally sweet. They're a little bit chewier.
Yes,
like
they are chewy.
If you're like, can I just get cranberries? Well, one, you're not gonna have all the health benefits.
Right.
But you do have to get a little bit used to the texture, but once you do, it actually makes it a little bit more fun.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're just gonna sprinkle a few of those on the top.
And they're nice and festive and colorful for the season.
So this would be great for a Christmas tree because it has the red to it.
Yeah.
All right. All right, and then on top of that, we're just gonna add some walnut here. Some, what do I call this? Chopped
walnuts.
I was like, what are these?
We know walnuts, all the
chop,
benefits, healthy fats, good for your brain. But this bark is so excellent. I mean, I think any kind of barks can really work, but this one, giving it that little extra nutrient factor. You can make a bunch, break them up, put them in the little bags as a gift, like those little cellophane bags, because it's so pretty.
Yeah, and relatively inexpensive too to make this with the chocolates. And the most expensive thing would be the walnuts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you can use the goji berries, what you have left over, throw them in salads, all different kinds of things.
So this is ready to pop in the fridge.
In the fridge.
Can you see it? So pretty. All right. So after I pulled it out of the fridge, it sat in there for 30 minutes and the chocolate really hardens. And you just break it up. And so we broke it up and put it on the little plate here.
Yes.
So do you want to do a taste test?
Yeah. I want to do a taste test. Are you kidding me?
Because we both like chocolate.
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I just want to say, also, make sure you stay tuned for our episode 3 because this would also be very pretty on what we're going to create in episode 3.
It sure will.
Yes. All right. So let's take.
I know it's like this.
I'll take this one.
Of course
I
you
know
would. I was going to grab that one.
Oh, you want this one?
Please. Here, I'll just
Here,
take
take
it.
this
I'll
one.
break this one. No, I'll break this. I've already had a taste, so. Okay, ready?
Cheers. Cheers. Oh, yummy.
And like she said, the ooey gooey gummy.
It's so good though.
I should say gummy goji berries.
But,
That's
you know,
so good.
we say, chew your food. It's gonna get you chewing your food.
You definitely chew your food.
Did you put any, I forget, sea salt?
Yeah, oh yeah. On the top, a little sea salt.
I could taste a little.
Yeah.
Really good.
Forgot that part. Very good.
Oh, okay.
Nancy can't talk now because her gooey ooey berries.
They're literally
They're on
stuck in my
there.
teeth.
Yeah. So like I said, this is a super easy treat to make. You can make it within, less than 30 minutes for your family. Actually, less than 15. The hardest part is melting.
Is melting the
And
chocolate.
then waiting.
And then waiting. But again, great gifts, great to have for
Love
people coming over for gatherings, to support your health and your sweet tooth. And we have a special treat for you. We have put together holiday festive treats, a free download. They're plant-powered holiday treats that are gonna support your health, like we always say, but also your taste buds and enjoyment of the season. So be sure to click the link below. As always, we thank you for being here. Please, if you enjoy these recipes, like, subscribe, and share with others. The more we can get the word out, the more we can keep bringing easy recipes that you can create in your home. That's our ultimate goal.
Yes, it is.
So,
Very much so.
yes, so that you can live life fuller, longer.
Fuller, longer.
Yeah.
I love that.
All right, thank you. We'll be back with episode 3.